Hi Deborah, Lucy here from Coops Hoops. It was really great to meet you the other week and to spend an hour and a half or so hooping with you. I thought you just kind of got the hang of it straight away, which was just fabulous. So I hope your practice with your waist hooping is going really well. This is the first in a couple of videos that I'll be sending you. The idea of this one is just to remind you of the stuff that we covered off in that little class that we did, and then in the next couple of videos to come I'll be breaking down some of those moves and also putting them together in a flow session for you. So if you recall, we got going with some basic waist hooping, and with that I would just like you to practice standing tall, shoulders back and down, keeping that belly tucked in and that bum tucked under. Don't let that bum kind of kick out at the back. And really do have a sense of connection with that hoop. And even if it doesn't feel like it's connecting, if you bear in mind that connection is what you're trying to achieve, sometimes that can really help with our waist hooping practice. We then went into a couple of lovely off-body moves. So there was the sparkle down and an isolation, the vertical isolation. And we also practiced catching that hoop when we were waist hooping. So with the one and two-handed catch. We did a bus driver. I also did the ladder and the orbit, or the smear as it's unpleasantly called over in the States. We did baseline pass, which is an off-body move, but it's really important for getting that hoop around you, getting some movement into your flow, and also giving you a really neat way of working that upper arm strength, those muscles behind us which often turn into bingo wings. The baseline pass will totally nail that. We did a donut and the step through with either leg leading, and really you were great at exploring the potential of those moves. So in the flow sessions coming up, I will try and make sure that they include quite a bit of that type of movement. We looked at some hand hooping as well. So we did the hand spin on both hands, and we also did the propeller. So the hand spin is an open-handed move with the hand on the inside of the hoop. With the propeller, the hand is also on the inside of the hoop, but it's a hold, it's a catch. We did an escalator, so that's where we get the hoop moving up and down our body, and we're using contact points in our body to get that hoop to do that. And so I think the escalators we explored, we were holding on to that hoop at all times, but getting it to travel up and then back down the body. We also looked at some hinge moves as well, and I really will make sure that your flow sessions coming up will include lots of hinge movements, because they're really dynamic, they're a lot of fun, and they're a great way of getting from one plane to another. We did also hand hooping up high, so the high lasso, and then bringing that down for stir the pot and the low lasso. So you covered an enormous amount. You basically covered moves that we cover off in 8 weeks, you did in 90 minutes. So really do give yourself a pat on the back for that. I look forward to bringing you those moves broken down with me, actually with the hoop, and then bringing you some flow sessions as well. Don't forget to keep in contact, coopshoopsrevolution@gmail.com, or give me a call if you want to brainstorm or problem solve any aspects of your practice. I'm really looking forward to seeing what you come up with when you've got these moves located firmly in your brain and in your muscle memory. Thanks so much again, Deborah, and I look forward to bringing you another video very, very soon.